Hey, good morning, kiddos. Today we got our Voltaire Cycles, Denville, New Jersey, which you'll see up here, franchisee website going. Um, and what we need, Henry Barthram, who's done the design of the store, um, he's used the theme template and created the pictures and the layout, and then uploaded our products to the site. But what we need to do here requires um, a little bit of detail or data work here. So what you need to do is go to products, then to collections, and then we need to go over here to create collections. Okay, we have to create a collection for. You click the button create collection. In essence, we have to create a collection for every product group. So let me go back over here to products. If you look at products here, you'll notice that when you create a filter, you have different ways of finding product groups. You can find them by vendor, you can find it by product type, you can find it from inventory availability, publishing air tagged with. What we want to do is we want to look at product type. So if you click on select a filter, then product type, then what it's going to ask you, well, what product type do you want to look at? And you'll see that we have here, I don't know, some, I'm going to say 20, 40, 60, probably about 60, maybe 70 different product types. And bicycle chains, bicycle seats, bicycle cassettes, all of these here. Each one of these product types we need to create into a collection. All right. So I started already doing the basics of an electric bike and electric skateboard, but I'm going to show you how to do the rest. And yes, we need all of these. And it's very, very simple to do. Just want you to maybe take some notes down because you'll have to come back here and write down all of these product groups, product types, I'm sorry, because you won't be able to get to it from collection. But for a second here, let's just humor me. So we're going to come back to collections, and we're going to create a collection here. Once you hit the create collection, similar to how you create a product, but with fewer categories. Under create a collection, come down here to the conditions for this collection. And what this collection will do, what you're telling the computer and the data system to do is follow these conditions that I outlined, and the resulting group of products will represent the collection. So you're telling the database, you're putting in a conditional logic algorithm. So what we want to do is use automatically select products based on these conditions. The product must match all conditions. So those default. You don't need to touch those. Come over here to product, and you want to choose product type right there. All right. So that's where you're going to find, the product type. And then here is equal to. All right. You don't need to worry about it. Defaults to is equal to. The product type is equal to. And if you hit this number, you're going to get up all the product groups, right? So you could start with apparel. Let's start with the first one. I'm going to do it for you. Click apparel, and that's it. Now, when you hit save, I'm sorry, before I hit save, I actually have to put apparel up here. So exactly the way it appears in the product type box, you want it to appear in the menu, into the title. You don't have to put anything descriptions, and you don't need to upload anything yet. Just do that and click save. Once you hit the save, then you'll see all of those products from the product type apparel have appeared. All right, that's all you have to do. The last is you need to choose an image for this collection. Otherwise, it won't appear on the website. So choose an image. Inboard hoodie here looks like a good one. So um, probably the best thing to do here is open this in a new link and then look at view in a new link. And guess what? Well, this is under store. Let me see if I can do it this way. You might be able to save the image. You might be able to save the image just by clicking and dragging it off. I'm going to try and do that, but I don't think it's going to work. No. So you'll have to go to our website and find a suitable picture, or maybe even better, inboard hoodie. Just do a Google search of images. There it is. Right click, save image, desktop, get rid of any coding that might be trademarked or patented. Voltaire cycles, and voila. Come back here, upload that image, boom, save, and that's it. You got your cover image and you've got your product group. So I did apparels. If I come back to collection, you'll see, all right, I have apparel. I've done electric scooters, electric skateboards, conventional bicycle, all electric bikes. And now I'm going to go to the next one. So create collection, drop down here, these default, right? Product title is product type. And since I did apparel, I can do bags now. Bags. Click save. Great. Oh, title can't be can't be blank. So bags, that's got to be the title here. Bags. Save. There we go. Now it's finding all of the bags in our shop. What you want to do is you want to choose a really cool looking bag, like the Walnut Studio Olo. So I put up Walnut Studio, strange business name. See what this comes up here. Yeah. Images. All right, beautiful images here. You can choose any of these because we've got them all, but I think this one looks good. Too small. Too small. To make sure that images you choose are large enough. There we go. And this is from our website. It says electric spokes. View image. Right click. Save image. Bingo. Come back to your home base here. Then upload that image. I think this is pretty self-explanatory. Now I've created apparel and bags. And we still have all the other product types to create collections for. Hope that helps. Make sure to save your work. Make sure to proof your work. And we'll talk to you later.